Go ahead.
Okay. How significant are the values that added by bootcamp for a student, like who selects flexible hours, while TS4U also ensures the availability to provide the assistance? So, how significant are those?
Yes, so those are really important, and this is most significant thing as I experience. So as a student point of view, so you have to be available, of course, but not on that way, like you are just, like you did your 10 hours job and then you have to be available for the rest of, no, this is not that thing. But as I just, like maintain my routine, if I couldn't study for today, then I have to study tomorrow for extra 2 hours. You have to be like this. And yeah, for the private coach and the other, like assistant that the sir and the apu that gave me. So anything happened during my watching my workshop, during practicing hands-on or practicing my show and tell presentation. So yeah, I just found everyone either is nighttime, either is daytime, because yeah, sometimes I used to study during the our nighttime. That means Bangladesh daytime. So but yeah, all that time I just found one standby there. Either is Apu or the Jihad Bhai. If I remember, like sometimes I just knock them 2:30 in the midnight, or 3 in the morning. I just found, yes, Bhaiya just said, okay Apu, I'm just going to send you the link, then we'll discuss. So this is the best thing here, that anytime you need help, there will be someone who is ready to help you. So this is the like most important thing here, and then that will makes me to go further and continue my journey.
Yes, I agree with that. So this kind of challenge came from the being a like the Asian countries people, like we come from the Southeast Asian, or the being an immigrant. We come here with our own the weakness, the own baggage, I can say. We have a back in home, we have family here. We have to work. We cannot just the full-time study. So we used to run the boot camp in a cohort, the session based, and we stopped it because the somehow you are providing something not for you, it's providing for your clients, in this case students. So you have taken all the consideration, student flexibility, they can join anytime, and they can provide the we can provide the one-on-one assistance. They can speak their weakness, they can share where they're lack of, and they can get the support when they need it, and they can be just their own, and they can get it done faster. And also they can see the flexibility on their journey, like I do not want to do anything next week because I have some activities going on. So everything is possible because of the private and one-on-one bootcamp. That is not possible within the cohort, because cohort is opposite. It actually it does not set up to fulfill everybody's needs, but the commitment that I'm going to fulfill. I don't think we did it. I don't think anybody is doing it. I don't think it is possible to do this. So if you want to change your career, I think the private and one-on-one bootcamp is the only way for a non-IT or being an immigrant have a lot of baggage, that only the private and one-on-one is the most appropriate and the solvable solution to change your career. Again, that's the data that students shared, and so that I thought to share with you as well.